Hi, today we have a Skoda Superb with a 1.8 TSI engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter, and also how to reset the service. I'm going to start by removing the oil filter. The oil filter is located here at the top side of the vehicle. Can be opened anti-clockwise. I have loosened it with some pliers, so now I can remove it by hand. Next I'm going to raise the vehicle and I'm going to drain the oil. I have raised the vehicle, so now I'm going to open the bolts that hold the lower plastic cover. We have 4 on this side and 4 on this side with Torx 25, and here there should be 3 bolts with Torx 30, but someone has replaced them with a 10mm wrench. Next I'm going to open the plug with 19mm wrench and I'm going to drain the oil. I have drained the oil, so now I'm going to return the plug, tighten it with 19mm wrench. I have installed the plastic cover, 8 bolts with Torx 25 and 3 bolts with Torx 30. Now I'm going to install the oil filter. I'm going to tighten it by hand. After that, when the oil pressure rises, it's going to tighten it even more. Next, I'm going to refill with oil. I'm using Castrol Edge 530, and to refill this engine I need 4.6 liters of oil. Next I'm going to replace the air filter. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts that can be opened with a screwdriver. I have removed the old air filter. Here I have the new air filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. You can see the difference. Next I'm going to tighten it 8 bolts with a screwdriver. And now I'm going to start the engine. Next I'm going to start the engine. To reset the service, I have to turn the ignition on. So I'm scrolling down, service, enter, info, okay, reset, do you want to reset? Okay, service resetted, info, we have 15,000 kilometers or 1 year. Now I'm going to check the oil level. I have wiped the oil dipstick, so now I'm going to measure it. And we can see the oil is exactly on the max. So this means that I'm finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.